In your initial screen or viewing of it, did you already make that judgment?
Alam mo, sis, ako bukas naman ang ulo ko eh. Diba? It's like art, kung art na, it's like Art Appreciation 101 will tell you, you may or may not like it personally, but surely you can know to the elements, diba? Cinematography, score, etc., etc., etc. So, gano'n ko tinignan, first 2 times. Pero pagkatapos gano'n, ang nakukuha nilang reaction, yung nakasabi ko sa kanila, alam ba yung ginawa nyo? You have opened the Pandora's box. Meron taong nag-i-stalk sa lahat ng ano ko, makapost ko, nagko-comment na cursed daw yung ginawa ni Quezon. Parang isang clerico-fascist ito eh. Cursed daw. We have been cursed by Quezon. And the reason we're like this today is because of that curse. So sabi sa akin, please pray. You have to retract that statement and lift the curse. Yung bang, all these lulis are coming out of the woodwork. Sa pagaling ito, mga baril na ito, ang pinakamadami ito. Mga bata ito, ha? Dapat pala naiwan na tayo sa Amerikano. Ganon. Gusto niya parang Puerto Rico tayo? Binababoy-baboy lang ni Trump?
Sir Ricky?
Ano?
Yeah, I think most of the online, kumbaga, hate and bashing, it's coming from that quote from Manuel L. Quezon, with that we'd prefer a government run like hell by Filipinos rather than Americans, right? Paraphrased. But a lot of the criticism naman aimed towards you and on social media, and I'd like you to address that now para open na sa lahat, no? They're saying you watched it 3 times. The first 2 times, your posts about it seemed to be, kumbaga, not negative. And so they're saying that it was the bashing that, kumbaga, got to you and made you see the movie perhaps in a different way. What would you say to that?
No, this is what happened there. Ang akin, you make a movie, okay, good faith. You try your best, good faith. But nung nakita ko in bad faith pa rin ang ginawa, that at the onset, by admitting at the onset that they were going to embarrass, humble, or discredit my grandfather, wala na tayong pag-uusapan. Bumaba na tingin ko sa kanila lahat. Tapos, ayaw ba akong pasalitain? That's not the time and the place? Oh my God. Paano na yun? Saan ang gusto niya? Kailan? Wala na. Di ba? So, in good faith, pwede tayo mag-usap. Pero kung gano'n, at the outset pala, manunuya lang kayo eh. Hindi, wala tayong pag-usapan.